Good morning everyone. How are you all? So we are back again in St. Joseph Academy's online classes. Today we will study chapter 14 Festivals and Community Celebrations part 2 of class 3rd Social Studies. We have already discussed the whole chapter and understood it well. So now we will discuss all the exercises and I will explain you in detail. So everybody have to listen carefully and understand it well, and you have to complete this according to the instruction of the teacher. So let's start the exercises. So our chapter ends here. Now let's start the exercises of this chapter. Before that, there are few things we should remember from this chapter. A festival is a day of celebrating an important event. Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti and Republic Day are our national festivals. Diwali, Guru Purab, Christmas and Eid are the religious festivals. Festivals foster the bond of unity, friendship and patriotism. Choose the correct options to answer the following questions correctly. Republic Day is a national festival. The correct answer is Republic Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. So the correct answer is 15th August. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Republic Day 15th August 1947 is not correctly matched because Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January, not on 15th August. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Which of the following event is the main attraction of Onam? So boat race is the main attraction of Onam. Answer the following questions. Write a short note on national festivals of India. Festivals which are celebrated throughout the country are called national festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are three national festivals of India. Holi is the festival of colors. How? During Holi, people play with colored powder called gulal and colored water. That is why Holi is called the festival of colors. What do you know about the festival of Raksha Bandhan? Raksha Bandhan marks the bonding between brother and sister. On this occasion, sister ties the Rakhi and prays for her brother, and in return she gets gift from a brother. Why is Diwali celebrated? Diwali is celebrated to rejoice the return of Lord Rama after 14 years exile. Mark tick on the true and cross on the false one. 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. Correct. Diwali is the festival of colors. Wrong. Diwali is the festival of lights. Holi is the festival of colors. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Correct. Boat race and Kathakali dance are the main attractions of Onam. Correct. Next exercise is fill in the blanks. Pongal is mostly celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Holi is the festival of colors. Raksha Bandhan marks the bonding between brothers and sisters. Kerala's main festival is Onam. Match the following: Republic Day 26 January, Independence Day 15th August, Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October, Christmas 25th December. I have written matching here in straight. You will also write in straight. There should not be any matching with the help of lines or numbers. All the answers should be written directly in front of the questions. So, through the end, now it's time to give you some homework. So for this chapter, you have to collect pictures of different festivals and you have to paste them in your copy. Nicely cut them, paste them, or you can draw also. Bye bye. Have a nice day. So our chapter ends here. Take care of yourself. Stay happy, stay healthy, and study well. And don't trouble anyone. Take care of your health. Bye bye. Have a nice day.